With the rapid rise of road mishap occurred within the last few years, 4 women Organisations of Karbi Anglong submitted a memorandum to Deputy Commissioner of Karbi Anglong, Diphu, at Diphu on 16 July to restructure the existing traffic controls at Karbi Anglong. As we are witnessing the increment of new vehicles every day hitting the roads, therefore, the risk of road accident is also inclining with it. News of accidents had been pouring in every hour, and even many innocent lives had also been lost to road accidents. Therefore, on 16th of July, 4 women organizations, Karbi Anglong Women Justice Forum, United Karbi Anglong Women Association, So Arlo Chingthur Asong, and Serdihun Serpindeng Pirthak Asong jointly submitted a memorandum to Diphu, Deputy Commissioner Karbi Anglong at Diphu. They appealed the district administration to enhance paramount measures on NH36, to install more speed breakers at Manja Tri-Juncture, and to set up police checkposts at FCI Quad Junction near Presbyterian Church, Diphu, to avoid road accidents in the area.
Isi bangke mane Karbi Anglong arlo okol Diphu jot tukali tobar kenon ke mebo mamasi accident dopik asida so accident puthak se bisi koi bangke dak Diphu headquarter panitum jongsi lapen panong senitum si memorandum toklo je doboka hoi manja lapen dimapur kan lewang sedame manja labo so turning point along Diphu nang ki lut loge dimapur penon doboka apenon Diphu nang ki lut loge manja long bangke isi speed si mane gari vek longji lapen solai longji ko puthak se nilitum pilo lapen parnisi head sedame ka accident do dak birla pen parchet Presbyterian Church adu dak bangke mane check post binangi posinitum dak mention las ison lo la ison puthak si nilitum bangke memorandum di sipana pilo.
They had also appealed the district administration to set up rehabilitation center at Diphu for mentally disabled individuals, as the number of mentally disabled individuals could be seen increasing day by day at Diphu.
Isi bangke la hello je Karbi Anglong arlo ke town do posila town area kapre long ta do uta hai lai tum chini lo tame kapre adim lo manili tum jongje si da Karbi Anglong pandet panong si town ajo la pen rong jo tame mentality mate incham posi tume arleng pensi pulo incham do pe la se incham ke la osomata do arleng theta do arleng ke sarta do sarpi buri tum ta do theglong ola ke ka do virat Karbi Anglong tum ta chini haje halak tuma phan tame isi facility mate isi ke do thai mane binangji la pela tum phan nep se long dim binangji po ka chunung sini tum pilo.
News Desk report, Karbi Anglong Live.